I hope the audio is clear now. Kindly rejoin. Yes, the audio should be rejoin channel, a direct channel. Share that link in the group. Now is it audible? Okay. Already. If you have any questions, mute. If you have any questions, you can type on the chat box. Let me take you through today's market update. Market has, as I already, every time I used to tell you, people, market is not going to go up. Today it has shown its true colors. You can see here what has happened today. Is a huge big gap down of around 1,000 points, and when you look at this candlestick, you find it to be a green color. Don't get fooled by this thing. This is not the true story behind the candle. Now let me tell you what can be done in. So let us go through the market update first. Nifty is down by around 5%. Around it was around 5%, and it has recovered by 1%, 1.5%. And Bank Nifty was around 4%, 2,000 points down. Mid cap Nifty was also down, but mid cap Nifty has recovered drastically. It is now trading at, I mean, we cannot tell it as like it is trading at today's high, near to today's high, not you can tell it as day high. And you can see that it is trying to take a resistance at near 15-minute 20 moving average. And coming to the commodity market, we have gold, which is trading again. Let me shift to the one day chart. Yes, gold has crashed from 91,000. It has given up around 3,000 points within just 3 days. 3,000 points. It has slipped 3,000 points. And again, when you come to the silver, you can see that there is a huge fall of around 12,000 points. And when we look at the crude oil, so we are here. You can see that there's around movement of around 18%. So why do crude oil have to fall down? Why does the crude oil has to fall down? It is all because on the back of recession fear. Yes, markets are trying to recover slowly, but yeah, this is what happens during the fall. Everyone wants to buy at the lower price, and it might go upside a little bit, and later on what happens is screen. Okay. Sorry guys, I forgot to share the screen. If something of that sort happens, you can let me know on the chat box. Rewind everything once again. So Nifty is down by, yeah, Nifty, you are able to see that it is a green candle today, but in fact it's not a green. I mean, it has recovered from the, but it's not the real candle. And I will let you know, like I will tell you where can you buy, what can you do in just a few minutes. And Bank Nifty has given up around 2,000 points. It happens to come around 4% of. See, imagine a index like Bank Nifty falling 5. Who would have thought like this could have happened yesterday? Okay, see again, Nifty mid cap has recovered from the lows and it is trading near day high. This is what I was talking about in the like when I was not aware that the screen was not shared. And let me go to the, so gold is trading. See, gold has fallen by around 3,000 points in just 2 days. Again, coming to the silver, silver has fell by around 12,000 points. It is 12,000 points. It would have shorted here, it would have made a very good money. I think there's a message somewhere. Okay. And crude oil has given up around, so this is what I was trying to show you, around 18% in just 3 days. The reason behind the crude oil fall is the consensus about US recession. Why do market have to fall due to recession fear? If there's a recession, no one will spend, and economy there will be economic shutdown, and there won't be any transportation, and there won't be any demand. And likewise, if the demand falls, what happens? You get to know that. All right, and let us look at index contributors. HDFC Bank alone, HDFC, ICICI Bank, and Reliance, these three, you can consider INFI as well. These four stocks alone have contributed around more than about 300-400 points. Okay, as today it is a very big fall. Every stock has contributed in itself. And later you can look at, see, when you look at the sector performance, there is no sector which is in green now. Earlier, sector used to perform better when the market used to crash down, but today you can find that there's no sector. See, consumer goods, all the sectors are fine, but FMCG sector is something which has fallen the least. You can see here. Hind Unilever and ITC, these are the two stocks which usually outperform during the mark fall. Guys, mind you, I really am not used to this. If, where to buy what? Anisha Kalburgi is trying to ask where to buy. And where to buy what? All right. If anyone has any questions, you can ask me. And let me tell you what can be done. Yeah. Nifty. Nifty. Let me go to the, yeah. Obviously, this is the high. If someone is willing to go long, only above 22, you can consider it as 22,150 for safety purpose. 22,150. Go long only above 22,150. There see, why do we want to go long now? Who knows how much downside is still more left? Does anyone know that? I really don't think so. Can anyone, if someone is knowing, you can let me know like what could be the next movement available. And yes, guys, now that you find all the stocks available at a very cheaper price, there's a sale going on. You can check with Reliance. It is trading at trees. Okay, Reliance is trading at 1150 rupees, somewhere around 1160 rupees. So, do you know where was it trading? Just few months ago, around 1600 rupees. I think there is some problem with this network. I really don't know how to rectify that. Someone can help me out. Is it clearly visible? The charts which I am showing, are you able to see that? If someone can confirm me over the chat box, that should be very much useful for me. I mean, that helps. That really helps me a lot. Yes, Reliance is trading at day high. Yes, you can see that. Bank Nifty is trying to move upside. All the industries are trying to recover a bit, but don't fall trap. 1 second. Live, live on. It's lagging. Live Allah. Live current time. Now is it clearly visible? That is where I am. Yes. Fine. Fine. This is my first YouTube live, man. It's okay. Basavaraj, is there any question you want to ask? You can chat on the type on the chat box. I really don't know how to hide this. I'll have to check. Yes, Ramesh, sir, tell me, what do you want to know? Anything about any stocks or any index? You can ask about index. Stocks are they have restrictions to to be discussed over here in live YouTube. And from tomorrow, I will be going live every day. If you have any questions or if you are stuck in any stock, you can ask for a second opinion so that it will be easy for you to take some proper decisions. I will also get everything set up. Okay. Fine, guys. We are heading towards the market closing time. Market is trying to recover. Yeah, this is the level which I've told you. A clear breakout above this is only that is considered to be a clear normal buy. There's a very high chance that it might get reversed from here. Just have to watch the price action here. Shift into 5 minutes. Skip. Okay, I'll be live for another 3 or 4 minutes and see what can be done. One more thing, look at India VIX. When was the last time you people have seen, press on the live. When was the last time you have seen India VIX rising by 65%? And one more thing, there's a very clear cut, just a very clear caution which I'm giving to you. Please don't try to buy the options now. Options are on, they are very expensive because they are, the VIX is on the very higher side. The premiums are on the very higher hand, I mean, by higher side. Don't even think of buying any options. Now, even though if the market moves in your side according to your judgment or according to your prediction, the premiums are not going to move according to you because there will be a IV crash. I hope you people understand. Yes, it is trying to. So what happens is you have to wait for the proper price action here. Either it has to go this way. It cannot go this directly. This one second. There's a very high chance that it might come here and take back and go here. So directly entering here you can enter based on the close of this candle, but the quantity should be not as big as when you used to enter during the pullback. During this kind of big gap downs, you should always wait for pullbacks, because what happens is this is called liquidity sweep. Everyone knows that after this breakout of today's high, the market is going to go up. What people will do is they will take it till here. Suddenly they will get the candle down by pumping huge amount, take away all your SLs. Generally the SLs will be here, and then it will move away, move upwards. So be patient, wait for pullbacks. This is the ideal thing. Even here you can enter now, but the stop loss would be very big. So when we look at stop loss, it is somewhere around the stop loss would be 200 points. This is not a feasible thing to do. So if you put stop loss somewhere here, the low of this is again, this is a 100-point stop loss is not a good good trade. So it is better to avoid now. Even though if you want to carry forward the trades in options, use spreads. Better spread would be bull put spread and bull call spread. I mean, bear put spread. Sorry, bear put spread. Okay, guys, it has clearly broke down the level which I've told you, and let us see till like this was the high, today's high. It is trading at today's high now. Yeah. And after 310, near about 315, it's not a good idea to trade or take any fresh long positions or short positions. So good to clear, close out all your positions. Bank Nifty has recovered around 400 points. Mid cap has recovered. Mid cap has not recovered that much, but Bank Nifty has recovered, has made a good recovery from the, from. So I have to get set with these things, guys. Please bear with me for today, because the time here is not showing properly. Okay, let me change it to. Okay, now it is fine. I just try to tell you the same thing. Like this might be a retest and pullback. You never know like what is going to happen tomorrow. But overall, when we look at Global markets are bleeding. See, look at Dow Jones, America, US market, Japan market is down by 3%. Hang Seng market is down by Hang Seng market is down by 15%. It has given up all the gains it had made recently. Well, I'll just show you. Yeah, I'll show you in the tomorrow's live section. Fine, guys. Hope this video was useful, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.